Hi Capricorn, I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you may visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking deeper clarity, be it in your love lives or your career, for a personal consultation, you may write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. Capricornians, it's a lovely October. The big news this month is that Jupiter is changing signs. It's doing its annual transit. More about that in a bit. Let's see as to how the month is broken up for you. On the 5th, we have a full moon that is there, and this is there in your house of home. This is the house of your mother. It's ruled by Cancer. And this is the place where we literally go and recharge ourselves. The last couple of months could have found you working hard towards your career goals and other matters that could be just taking up your time. And so the demands on your personal life could be quite paramount, Capricornians. So striking a balance between the energy that is spent on work and the energy spent on domestic matters is really important. This month, in fact, you're being asked to somehow balance your attention to your public life and to your personal lives, and you just have to sort of walk on a very tight rope without spoiling the balance. So you need to be spending some time to be going out, enjoying yourself, having a good time with your friends, and at the same time there's enough and more focus that is required at your work as well. It's also a time to prioritize. So yes, while the full moon is speaking about it's asking for balance, but it is also asking you to prioritize as well. Try not to burn the candle at both the ends, Capricornian. Be careful that you don't sort of overextend yourselves and burn. At home or family, especially something related to property, a matter could just come up around this time, and it could just completely get your attention. Some of you could be renovating your home. Some of you could be just battling with some staff crisis at home, and this seems to be quite a trend for you for the last 6 months. Some amount of action at home, and you could just be sort of torn between managing your work and then trying to not be able to have enough time to sort out your domestic issues. On the 11th, we have Jupiter that is moving into the house of groups of people and friends, and it's there till about November 8th, 2018. Now this particular transit, it brings about benefits, fresh energy, ideas to your networking groups and activities, and the formulation of broad long-term goals, acquaintances, clubs and organizations. So you can during this entire Jupiter transit, you can depend on your friends to support you, to help you, and your friend circle may increase during this time. And even for those of you who may feel, oh, I really don't want to network and I'm quite tired of networking and quite, done with it. But during this time, you'll find that it benefits you greatly. In fact, a lot of your work will get done through your circle of friends far more smoothly. You may particularly also enjoy dreaming up ideas for the future, and achieving your goals comes far more easily to you right now. Others will tend to rely a lot on you, Capricornians, on your advice, and they would be leaning to you more as to how to get more help or how to go ahead about it. And you could generally be more active in your community, and more opportunities to get associated with clubs or with groups who have similar passions, ideas, and also people who are jointly working towards a goal as well. Now, also there is an inclination to be more tolerant towards others, and whether it is in your friend circle or it is in your business circle, there is just be that you're going to be far more flexible in listening to what other people have to say and explore that as well. Reaching out beyond your friend circle can definitely benefit you this year, Capricorns. You have to push yourself this year, and you have to sort of open up more doors, and that is where the success will really lie for you. On the 15th, we have Venus that is moving into your house of career, reputation, and how it is the world at large perceives you. And it's quite a lovely placement, because you can expect either an accolade, recognition for your work, or you could just find that during this time the work is quite smooth, or negotiations are going on well, and you're able to get your work done without too much of whether it's interference or unnecessary blockages that could have been happening. On the 18th, we have Mercury that is moving into your house of groups of friends and people with whom you share similar goals, and it is joining Jupiter over there. And during this time, and Mercury is all about logical reasoning, it's about communication and a little bit of travel. And during this time, your mind is going to be quite alert and active, and you will have the ability to come up with quite unusual and inventive ideas. So, sharing your ideas is going to be of quite a prime interest, and others tend to particularly enjoy your conversations during this time, and you're willing to listen as well as add your own thoughts. Even your ability, Capricornians, to grasp a subject which earlier you could have just struggled with, it is just that you would be intuitively be able to understand what the other person is saying, and you will be able to deliver whatever it is that at work that you have promised. So a lot of thinking is there during this entire Mercury transit bit of it, and musing also about your own happiness and long-term goals. On the 19th, we have a new moon over here in your house of career and reputation. Now, this suggests maybe a new job for some of you, and it is also speaking of a new opportunity wherein it seems that some of you have been looking out for a while, and this is a time where you will sort of step out. In some cases, there will be a realization that you need to be moving to a new place, and this is not the place where you see yourself lasting long. So that could be there as well. The new moon being over there simply suggests that there could be opportunities that exist around you. On the 23rd, we have Mars that is moving again to your house of career, and this is going to be stimulating your ambition, your desire to be recognized in your accomplishments. You're going to be a little aggressive, saying, I need to be noticed, and I've been working hard, and I need to be acknowledged, or I need to be paid for it. Now, whether it is professional or personal, you're likely to sort of have an increased desire that you're acknowledged and people notice you. And it's a good time to be it's a good time for those of you who are running your own business, or you're you are looking at starting your own business, and it's all favorable. Now, try and sort of stay out of trouble with authority, because you could be a little bit more aggressive and step on some toes. So not a good thing. Be a little careful, and it's good to pour your energy into self-promotion, but try and sort of stay away from arrogance, Capricornians. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.